If you are looking for metal sheet cutting or welding machines, then look no further. Hi, we are Canlee, a robust high-tech factory situated in Hebei, China. Our experience in the welding and cutting industry can be traced back to 30 years ago. Now our factory size is over 36,000 square meters. That's about 9 acres. Canlee Laser has a staff of 120 people, more than 20 patents, and production equipment exceeding 230 sets. Canlee manufactures several machines, including fiber laser cutting machines, plasma CNC cutting machines, H-beam production line, and robot welding and cutting machines. Please let us know if you have any questions, and we'll get back to you right away.
Now, if you're brand new to this channel or you're not already a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe link and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a brand new video.
Fiber laser cutting works by focusing the power of a high-powered laser onto the surface of the material to be cut. The energy in the laser beam is absorbed into the surface of material, and the energy of the laser is converted into heat, which melts or vaporizes the material. Additionally, gas is focused or blown into the cutting region to expel or blow away the molten metal and vapor from the cutting path. Fiber laser cutting systems benefits. Choosing a fiber laser cutting system will provide a number of advantages over traditional CO2 lasers. Because of their high-quality beam, fiber lasers will allow you to cut, engrave, and mark a wide range of metallic materials. Our range of fiber machines can be specified in a variety of power outputs ranging from 500 watts and up, which will provide you with the machine capability of cutting sheet metals such as 12mm thick stainless steel. Fiber laser cutter benefits include faster processing times, reduced energy bills due to greater efficiency, greater reliability, no optics to adjust or align, and no lamps to replace, minimal maintenance, higher productivity, lower operational costs offer a greater return on your investment.
Hebei Cutting-Canlee Electromechanical Technology Company Limited, founded in 2011. The company is in Xingtai Economic Development Zone of Hebei Province, it covering 66,000 square meters, which has a convenient traffic network to Beijing, Guangzhou High-Speed Railway, and Beijing-Shenzhen Express. We are the leading R&D center and manufacturer of intelligent welding and cutting equipment in North China, which products range from fiber laser cutting machines, CNC cutting equipment, H-beam production line, to robot system. We have CNC machining center, gantry milling machine, and various of inspection equipment up to 230 sets with 120 staff, 95% of whom are college degree or above. The company adheres to innovation-driven development, established the Laser Technology and Equipment R&D Center with Tsinghua University, Hebei Development Research Institute, and Tsinghua University, Zhengxi Incubation Base. It also set up Intelligent Manufacturing Equipment Research Center with Xingtai Polytechnic College. The company has built long-steady cooperation with many famous domestic universities and science research institutions with strong product research and innovation capacity. As the provider of Industrial 4.0 program and supplier of key equipment, we've kept a good reputation from our clients from industries such as machine manufacturing, petrochemical industry, high railway, vehicle. We've been named as Hebei High-Tech Enterprise, Hebei Tech-Oriented SME, Hebei Innovation-Driven Model Enterprise, Hebei Strategic Emerging Industry Model Base, Hebei Brand Name Products, Hebei Technical Specialist Enterprise Workstation. We will do our best to serve customers worldwide.